Kuhle kuphinze ngihlangane nawe mbukele tindzabeni telulwimi lwesiswati la ku SABC lesitfula bukhoma etindlini tekusakata te SABC eAuckland Park eJozi. Asibukele tihambe mbili.
Brian Mokgotsi is a reflection of a bad ANC member, if he is. Because he is implicated on siphoning money in the name of the ANC.
I-ANC itiqhelelisele nelidzaba lwa Brian Mokgotsi losolwa ngekuthi usebenzisana nendvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu lemisiwe emsebentini.
As soon as the cause of death has been officially determined by the French authorities, the process to repatriate Ambassador Mthethwa's body will then ensue.
Lokhulumela mengameli wakuleli Vincent Magwenya uthi uma tikhulu tase-France setitsile ngeliphenyo lwato lekuqinisekisa ukuthi Mthethwa ubulawe yini kutawube sekucala tinhlelo tekubuyisa sithumbu sakhe kuleli.
I'm the coach. I have to know that this guy had 2 yellow cards. My technical staff is responsible.
Umqeqeshi webafana Hugo Bush ulivumile liphutha lekudlaliswa kwaTebogo Mokoena ngalokungakafanele. I-ANC itiqhelelisile nelidzaba lwa Brian Mokgotsi losolwa ngekuthi usebenzisana nendvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa Senzo Mchunu lemisiwe emsebentini. Mabhalane jikelele walenhlangano ufikile Mbalula bekakhuluma nebetindzaba ngemiphumela yelomhlangano wesigungu lesisetulu salelicembu eLuthuli House. Mbalula uthi kunebantfu labasebenzisa ligama le-ANC kwenda bugebengu.
Akhuluma nebetindzaba ngemva kwemhlangano welcommittee lelibuka ekusebenta kwalenhlangano. Mbalula ubalule kuswelakala kwemali eNorthwest njengengcinamba letsinga kusonjululwa.
In Myra Village, Northwest, where residents reported no access to water, urgent intervention was coordinated involving the Department of Planning, Monitoring and Evaluation, the Office of the Premier in the Northwest, Dr. Ruth Sikhumutsi Mumpati District, and Makhalis Water.
Mbalula wexwayise malunga lenhlangano labandzakanyeke enkohlakalweni ukutsatha litfota lelimandi.
Those who commit acts of corruption cannot hide behind the ANC, cannot drag our name into their crimes, and cannot claim legitimacy from the movement.
Mbalula uthi ANC yatiqhelanisa nasomabhizinisi wakule Northwest Brian Mokgotsi igama lakhe lelivele kanyende eCommissioneni lamadlanga. Uphinze wagcizelela ukuthi indvuna elitiko letemaphoyisa lemisiwe emsebentini Senzo Mchunu itawuvela ngembi kwelikomiti lelibuka ukuthi iphatha kwemalunga lenhlangano itotiphendvulela ngetinsolo lebukene nato.
Brian Mokgotsi is a reflection of a bad ANC member, if he is. Because he is implicated on siphoning money in the name of the ANC. ANC can't associate itself with such bad behavior.
Uthi balisekela likhomishana lamadlanga.
Lokhulumela mengameli wakuleli Vincent Magwenya uthi uma tikhulu tase-France setitsile ngeliphenyo lwato lekuqinisekisa ukuthi Mthethwa ubulawe yini kutawube sekucala tinhlelo tekubuyisa sithumbu sakhe kuleli ngekubambisana nemndeni wakhe. Magwenya uthi hulumende wakuleli utawusebenzisana newase-France kanye nemndeni wakhe ukuthi kubuya kwesithumbu saMthethwa kwenteka ngekushesha.
As soon as the cause of death has been officially determined by the French authorities, the process to repatriate Ambassador Mthethwa's body will then ensue and begin in consultation with the family members who have now joined Ms. Philisiwe Buthelezi, the wife of Ambassador Mthethwa, in Paris to provide support to her. And so as a government, we will be working closely with the French authorities, with the family, to ensure that that process happens as soon as possible. At this stage, we are waiting for that official determination of the cause of death. And once that has been done, we will then begin with the process of repatriation.
Lisekela lendvune elitiko letebudlelwane nemave angaphandle Alvin Bottas lijoyine etikhulu te-ANC nalabasemagunyeni kuhulumende kwaMbonambi ekhaya lelincusa lelingasekho emhlabeni nathi Mthethwa. Lolu vakasho luta nje nemaphoyisa aseFrance alungiselela kuphothula luphenyo lwalo ekushoneni kwaMthethwa eParis. Akhuluma kulomhlangano Bottas ukhumbule Mthethwa njengemumfu webantfu lobekahambise embili bulungiswa kanti Dr. Sibusiso Mndebele we-ANC ukhulume kabanti ngaloko labakhulume ngako nemndeni wakaMthethwa nensatheli SABC noNjabulo Magamu.
Sinibingeleleke ngaqinisekisa ukuthi njengamanje sisakhona ke la emzini kaBaba uNathi Mthethwa njoba ke bekade sizwile ekseni ukuthi ke iqembu ke leANC khona la kusifundazwe saKwaZulu Natal nakuzwe lonke lizobhunga ke emswaneni njengamanje ke sinayo ke oyilunga la eANC ubaba uDokotela uSibusiso Ndebele. Dr. Ndebele siyabonga kakhulu baba ngesikhathi sakho siyazi nje ukuthi umndeni bekade ushilo izolo ukuthi bongajabule neze ukuthi kuthathe ke ANC isikhathi ukuthi ke mhlambe uze la ekhaya uzobonana siyazi ukuthi nixoxisile nomndeni mhlambe ake nisichazele nje ukuthi mhlambe ingxoxo esenibe nazo nomndeni ezambe kanjani.
Silapha namhlanje kwamfowethu uNyambose uNathi umndeni usumukele ngokukhulu ukufudumala wajabulela kakhulu ukuthi abasekhaya bakaKhongolose sebefikile kwasuleka nezinyembezi ukuthi cha at least ke sebezizwe sebesekhaya. Isikhathi esinzima kakhulu lesi umndeni odlula kuso uComrade uNathi Mthethwa uyibambe kushisa uye abanye ngesikhathi beyolusha abasivulela ngo1990 ngapha kothukela ngoba kwakunzima ukuwila uthukela ngalesikhathi leso bayivula indlela sazi njengoba siyilapha kwaMthethwa njena saze safika kwathi ngo2004 sakwazi ukuthi kube uKhongolose aphathe umbuso waZulu Natal.
Loke bekuDokotela uSibusiso Ndebele bekhuluma kabanzi ke ngegalelo ke neqhaza elibanjwe ke uye ubaba uNathi Mthethwa abokuba inxuso njengoba siyazi ukuthi naye ke seke wawusebenza ke lo msebenzi khona lapha eAustralia kanjalo nalapha eIndia kodwa manje ke ngizibuyisela kuwe intambo.
Ummeli wakatiso Mlefe uthi uma nje umbuso uvange abantu bangaphandle lokhu khulunywe ngesikhathi kubuketwa sicelo sebail saMlefe sebail enkantolo ephakeme eJozi lamuhla kanti kuta ngemva kwecithwa kwesicelo sebail ngenyanga yenci. Mlefe ubukene nemacala lambalwa lekufaka ekhathi kubulawa kaOpa Sefoka lowatiwa nga DJ Somebody.
Ummeli waMlefe Michael Hens uthi lelicala lembuso alinasisinvo.
If you look at the personal circumstances of the accused, bringing bail into disrepute, all the sub-categories of Section 64, 6-4 of the Criminal Procedure Act, you will find that he fails on none of those. And this case, his opposition to bail, depends on the strength of the state's case. And the strength of the state's case is not there. So if Judge Ledwaba was right, and in any event, if the pleaded personal circumstances in the bail application in the Alexandra court are right, the only thing that can tip it in any way towards refusing bail could be the strength of the state's case, and that's not strong, as we will demonstrate.
Kanti ke inkantolo lephakeme eJozi isigodlile sinqumo sayo kulokubuketwa kwesicelo sebail yaMlefe.
As the court please, thank you.
Kuletinye ke umasibiye titolo. Inkantolo yesigodi eModimolle ilinzeleke ukuthi yethule isijubo kusasa sekuthi kucala kuteka kwelicala lekwebuya kwemali lengu580 wemadola eplazini lamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala. Wemkelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba uma ucetha ngena ukhethe kahle disekhona hlala nathi. Inkantolo yesigodi eModimolle ilinzeleke ukuthi yethule isijubo kusasa sekuthi kucala kutekwa kwelicala lekwebiwa kwemali lengu580 wemadola eplazini lamengameli Cyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala. Umbuso ucelene ukuthi kubukisiswe ubufakazi baloyo lowatibonela wesine ngemva kwekuthi atshele inkantolo ukuthi amanga abhali statement yena. Uphinze wathi waniketwa waphoqa nekuthi asihlikihle lesi lesikhona.
Bahlanu bufakazi sebavele inkantolo lelicala lekwebiwa kwemali eplazini lamengameli wakuleli Cyril Ramaphosa iPhalaphala kanti labufakazi nasebaphelele bangemashumi lamabili. Fakazi wesine wombuso amanga avume kwethula ubufakazi.
I don't know what happened on the day that we were at the show, because that time that we were at the show, I left, I went home. When they came with a statement, the only thing that what I want to tell the court, I'm illiterate, I don't know how to read and I don't know how to write. Those people, they came with a statement and they just came in to sign it.
Uma ngabe umbuso uyaphumelela esiceleni sekutekwa kwalenye licala kuleli cala kutakulinzela ukuthi umshushisi aphinze abitela bofakazi kuthi kutokuqinisekisa ukuthi bethula bufakazi ngaphandle kwencindzetelo njengoba lomunye wabofakazi wavakalisa ukuthi wethula bufakazi ngaphansi kwencindzetelo lofakazi waphinze wahambisa umbeka cala eJozi ngemuva kwesigameko sokweba kuleli plaza siyashayisana statement lasibhala ecaleni nalesi sibili asethule enkantolo lofakazi
abethilwe
While taking this statement, I was taking this statement being afraid in mind, thinking that on social media I heard that there were some people who've been arrested and they were assaulted in relation to a case wherein they said that they took money.
In Belabela.
Sinqumo sekuteka lenye licala kuleli cala sitawuthathwa ngalesihlanu laba bekacala abathathu babukene amacala ekweba kugcekeza endlini nekushushumbisa imali kanti betinza baxwayise ukuthi bangabaveti labufakazi.
Inkomfa ekutshalwa kwemali nekumbiwa kwemcebo waphasi eMpumalanga ihlose ukukhulisa umnotho iphinze yakhe nemathuba emisebenzi kulesifundza. Le nkomfa liqalela muhle Middelburg itawuheha abatshali imali emkhakheni wetekuvakasha kanye nekumbiwa kwemcebo waphasi nemandla lavuselelako. Kwethenjwa ukuthi le nkomfa itakwenda imali lelingaselwa ku50 billion emarandi.
Sifundza seMpumalanga sinothile ngemcebo lombiwa phasi kutekuvakasha kanye netekulima kanti konke lokhu kudlala lichasa ekukhuliseni umnotho walesifundza kepha kwesolakala kwemisebenzi bunsweti kanye nekungalingani kusekhona inkomfa yekutshala kanye nekumbiwa yethemba ukuthi itakwati kuheha abatshali.
By attracting investment into this crucial industry, we can stimulate local economies, create direct and indirect job opportunities, and foster skills development that builds a workforce capable of meeting the demands of a rapidly evolving sector.
Lesifundza sigcina emalahle lamanye kanzi kunesidingo sekusebenzisa emandla emvelo ngenhloso yokuvikela kungcolisa umhlaba. Indvuna yetagesi Dr. Khosiyetso Ramogopa uthi lolu shintsho kufanele lisetshenziswe ngeqophelela.
Don't talk about a decommissioning of a power station, we're talking about a repowering of the power station. So essentially when we say we're moving from coal to gas to wind to solar, we want to maintain those jobs and then ensure that they become higher order jobs. By higher order jobs I mean they pay better.
Lapha tifuna abatshali imali kanzi letinye tende tethembiso letisetulu tekutshala imali.
PG Bison committed an investment and we have successfully seen that through, delivering a 1.9 billion rand investment in the local district municipality in Mkhondu.
Mvunankulu wethule incwadi yekutshala lenemiklamo lefuna ukuthi ifakelwe isandla letawusebenza njengendlela leyohola abatshali ngaphandle kwalenkomfa.
Sikubutile ke ukuthi ingabe uyawubona yini umthelela wekhomishani lamadlanga kusukela liqale kuhlala umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Kule commission kamadlanga ke awukho umehluko senzekile ngicabanga ukuthi kodwa kusese eli kakhulu sisazobona nje okukhulu okusenzekile nje ukuthi thina somphakathi sesithe ukuvuleka amehlo sibone ukuthi okwenzeka lokhu nalokhu usukwazi nokuhlukanisa utolo sesayidini legebengu njengoba ekhuluma kanje.
Hayi wona ukabonakala ngoba kusesekuqaleni kodwa kona nje indlela isakhomba indlela eyodwa ukuthi hayi bakhona ba wrong sisazokuzwa ke nabo masebeyiphendulela ukuthi baphendulela bathini.
Umthelela wona ukhona kule khomishana kamadlanga ngoba ukufika nje abantu bonke bebanikelana ngobufakazi bakhuluma into efanako and baphethe ubufakazi obuphathekako. Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyoka amakhomishana akhe abakhona eSouth Africa lengiyo ekhamba phambili.
Umkomishana kaMadlanga iyasebenza ngempela kukuningi okufihliwe lapho kuloku kuvela kancane kancane engazathi wonke amagama labantu athintekayo lapha bengazama ukuthi ena bebuye bezoyiphendulela.
Umthela welikhomishana waMadlanga ngiyawubona ngoba lokhu lebekufihlakele ngiyaluse kuyabonakala lokushokona ukuthi kuningi lebekufihlakele.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC etethweswa kuphendulela ngawo. Iyachubeka imitamo yekusita labo lababanjwe ngalokungemthetho elwandle eGaza. Litiko letebudlelwane nemave angaphandle lithi lenda konke lokusemandleni kuhlenga labo labavela kuleli lababambeke emkhankasweni weflotilla lapho kubanjwe khona imikhumbi yabo itolo lebeyiyeGaza kuyosita. Lemikhumbi beyithwele bamvu labafake ekhathi umtukulu wamengameli waphambili Nelson Mandela, inkosi Zwelivelile Mandela, umbhali mabhuku Zukiswa Waner, nesishoshovi Riaz Mula, Zahira Somar na Fatima Hendricks.
At this stage, it's unclear how many boats now have been intercepted. We understand at least 21, but it's possible more have been intercepted, and we just haven't heard about it yet because this really is a developing situation and happening as we speak. In terms of previous flotillas, they were intercepted as recently as June and July by the Israeli Navy. Those were, of course, much smaller than this flotilla, and they were actually intercepted further out off the coast of Gaza than this one. This one was intercepted at some 70 nautical miles from Gaza, and we understand that the other boats that haven't yet been intercepted are as close as 45 nautical miles from Gaza. In May, another boat of a flotilla was damaged by an explosion off the coast of Malta. It never actually reached anywhere near the coast of Gaza. There's been other flotillas in the past before that, most notably and infamously, I should say, of course, is the Mavi Marmara, the Turkish flotilla in 2010 that was boarded by Israeli commandos who descended from helicopters and ended up shooting and killing some 10 Turkish activists. But thankfully, in this instance, in this interception, there's been no reports of injuries, let alone deaths.
Indvuna yelitiko letemafa yakuleli Enoch Godongwana ithi lengabathi bukene nengcinamba yetempilo lekusinga ukuthi sisukunyelwe. Godongwana bekakhuluma emhlanganweni wesiphohlongo lokhethekile lobukete emafa kanye netemnotho.
Our continent's health sector is facing a balancing of multiple crises. It is underfunded, overstretched, and faces a distressing decline in official development agency. This challenge adds to the existing increases in our debt service obligations.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Umqeqeshi webafana Hugo Brush ulivumile liphutha lekudlaliswa kwaTebogo Mokoena ngalokungakafaneli. Brush uthi unelithemba lokuthi lakuleli litawufinyelela emcuzelwaneni wendebe yemhlaba nga-2026 nanobe lithathelwe emaphuzu. iFIFA ithathele lakuleli emaphuzu lamathathu kulandela ukudlalisa Tebogo Mokoena kungakafaneli ngesikhathi lakuleli lithola netulu nelelesuthu.
Linyendi lisolo umphathi wabafana ngalesigwebo sekuthathelwe emaphuzu lamathathu kanti Brush uthi asidluliswe lesigameko noma sinemthela lomubi kubafana. Mokoena watfola likhadi lesibili kubafana asadlala imidlalo nge-84 kuMamelodi Sundowns lokwenda kwabamadima kusinayo ukukhumbule ngalamakhadi akhe.
Who is responsible? And I see already that the minister also wants to investigate who is responsible. Well, it's clear. I'm responsible. I'm the coach. I have to know that this guy had 2 yellow cards. My technical staff is responsible because they didn't tell me, hey, Tebogo has 2 yellow cards. The team manager is responsible, but he didn't have the follow-up.
No, bafana ihleti endzaweni yesibili. Brush uthi unelithemba lokuthi tawufinyelela emcuzelwaneni wendebe yemhlaba lakuleli lisalele imidlalo emibili njengoba litawutfola neleZimbabwe neleRwanda yonke le midlalo itawudlalwa kuleli.
Just focus on the 2 games who are coming now. And support us like you did already the ones before, and we will see where we will arrive. But we will do everything for 100% to win those 2 games.
Bruce uphinzwa wamemetela iqembu lakhe lebadlali abangamashumi lelitawudlala imidlalo emibili yokuhlungela indebe yemhlaba kude umdlalo okhethiwe eqenjini leKaizer Chiefs kanti Malibonge Khoza weSundowns ubide kokuqala ngca kuleli qembu nakhulisa umdawo ubitiwe kulandzela kungabi khona emidlalweni leyingcile.
Kuna 10 Dlamini kuleti hamba embili letiphuma embwiteni kuligwalagwala FM 10 Wotanato.
Lishonile lindelo yami lingane wami ngivusele kuwe ngivusele nakuye umbukele ekhaya ngisho nje ukuthi indzaba lesitabe siphethe namhla ehlelweni difaka ekhathi kuvaka abantu njengoba emapala nejikelele we-ANC ifikile mbalula uthi bona njengenhlangano ngedebate ihlanganisa na Brown Mokgotsi lekusolakala ukuthi usonzelene kakhulu nenduna yemaphoyisa senzo mchunu ngetuluka lokho siyawuvaka abantu njengobe icalile ingomfa emalanga lamabili yekutshala imali kanye netmayini lapha eMiddelburg kulesifundza sethu seMpumalanga ngileti naletinye umbukelele yangathlinzela ehlelweni leti iphuma embitheni kumsakato likwalakwala FM ngangibonga kakhulu ngiyabuyisela tinzambo kuwe Josie.
Sibonge Den tiguca lapho ke talamuhla asiphinze sihlangane ngalokutako kusasa tikhona tesindebele bese uthi uma kubumbana insimbi yesikhombisa kube netesixhosa kuyo lenkhundla sikhona ke nesimo selitulu nanto zakhe mathebula ngemva kwetitolo busuku lobuhle.
Asikubingile sikwamukele kunasi simo selitulu ngora lomuhle sibuka kakhulu ke kulindelwa kanti ke masibuka sithombe sethu akhombisa ukuba mahle amathuba emvula mabuyi kakhulu kati eNtshonalanga Kapa ngora lomuhle kakhulu kati Eastern Cape njengoba lapha kuyeke la 60% kanti ke eMpumalanga live alapha kuyeke la 30% njengoba lichubeke njalo nengibonya ngemafela ngelakusase kakhulu kati mawuya ke eNtshonalanga Kapa ngora lomuhle kanti ke likhombisa ke kubalela chubeke njalo ke lawo mathuba emvula lapha kuyeke la 30% njengoba netbudget enkulu khona ngora lomuhle kanti ke la uma sichubeka sikubukela ke la kakhulu kati simo senobe ke sixwayiso lesivela baka South African Weather Service yakhombisa ukuthi ke ngahle kuchubuka umlilo emadlelweni latsithi kakhulu kade Northern Cape kanjalo nengcenye esifundza ke la eFree State ngora lomuhle masichubeka sikubukela ke la mazinga ekushisa kutheme njani kakhulu kade langeni lakusasa masibuka ke sifundza eGauteng lapha ku28 ePretoria lifuthumele eJohannesburg nga26 27 eVereeniging kanjalo naseCarltonville kanti ke sifundza iLimpopo nzalo efana nabo Musina likhombisa kuphola ngeke la 20 kakhulu kade naseThohoyandou kanti ke 22 emabuka ke Phalabura 28 lapha ke Pilapila njengoba lifuthumele ngwana lomuhle kanti ke sifundza eMpumalanga tinzawo letfana ke nabo Sikhukuza lapha kuyeke la 23 lo show lifuthumele kanjalo naseMbombela eCaroline Emelo lapha ku17 mabobo Standerton lapha kuyeke la 20 ngwala lomuhle kanti ke KwaZulu Natal inzawo letfana nabo Mnambithi lapha kuyeke la 13 ePietermaritzburg Ulundi 14 mabuka eRichards Bay ngwala lomuhle likhombisa ke kufuthumalana nasePort Shepstone ngayeke la 17 kanti ke Eastern Cape inzawo letfana nabo Ncuba lapha kuyeke la 20 21 kona Joli 17 emakhanda 19 mabuka kuBocebeha kanti ke 15 ikakhulu kati eMthathe Western Cape inzawo letfana nabo Fredendal Shisal Cape umkhovetsheni nga 34 mabuka uhlenu lemse lapha kuyeke la 31 kanti ke Beaufort West lapha ku25 ilipholile ke George ngayeke la 20 ngwala lomuhle kanti ke Northern Cape inzawo lefana nabo Springbok kuyashisa ke leto nzawo leto ngayeke la 30 33 Uppington 31 Kuruman mabuka ke Sutherland kuyabanza ke kuseni kepha ke la liphole ke Castle Nzambama ngayeke la 24 kanti ke iFree State ngwala lomuhle tinzawo letfana nabo Welcome lapha ku29 ilifuthumele kanti ke kuyashisa eBothaville ngayeke la 30 mabuke eSasolburg lapha kuyeke la 27 eFrankfurt lapha ku23 eBethlehem lapha kuyeke la 22 kanjalo nabo Fixburg kanti ke eNorthwest ngwala lomuhle masibuka ikakhulu kade ke la tinzawo letfana nabo ke labo Tosca lapha kuyeke la 33 31 eFreiburg kanjalo naseTaung njengoba sikhombisa ke kushisa nasesifundza mabuka ke la ekakhulu kade tinzawo letfana nabo Lichtenburg nabo Rustenburg lapha kuyeke la 27 ngwala lomuhle angisho ngithi kungako benguphathele kona busuku abube lobuhle.